As you all know, coconut water contains lots of minerals and health benefits, but to open it or to penetrate a coconut is a big task or difficult task. But after watching this video, you will see it's cakewalk, right? Yes, this is Flying Skies One welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. As you see in the picture, this is the coconut opener. This is used to extract coconut water from coconut without putting any big efforts. You can purchase it on Amazon stores. It is at 90% off, as you see in the picture. But I purchased on Country Delight app. This is available at 60 rupees. If you have free membership, you can get it for 39 rupees, as you see in the picture. But how to get free membership? You can check out that video in the description box. Okay, now we'll see how strong is this tool or the coconut opener. It's a steel tube and one more accessory is given along with that. As you see in the picture, choose the surface of the coconut. Just place the coconut opener on it. Now try to penetrate coconut with the help of coconut opener, rotating clockwise. If you start doing that, it will go down and you will see a hole and the water being gushed out. That's it. Now remove the coconut opener by rotating it anti-clockwise as shown in the picture. That's it, done. This is how you open a coconut with the help of coconut opener. As you see in the picture, we'll remove the husk afterwards or the waste of the coconut that was into the tube. Isn't it pretty interesting to see such kind of tool from India? This is India made, and hats off to the makers of this tool. We'll all have a doubt, this will work or it is durable. Yes, it works even after we used n number of times in opening the coconut, because it holds a strong body or the structure. As you see here, I'm showing you how to remove the waste that went into the coconut opener while opening the coconut. You have an accessory, you use that and flush out the waste. That's it, done. Now we'll see how to remove coconut meat or the white flesh you have in the coconut. We'll see how to remove it with the help of this coconut opener. As you see in the picture, you penetrate coconut with the help of the coconut opener to make the hole bigger, right? Because we got to extract coconut meat from inside, right? You see the hole became bigger. Now with the help of the spoon, you can extract coconut meat from inside the coconut and enjoy. But anyways, if the coconut shell is hard, it's a bit tough to open a coconut with the help of coconut opener. But otherwise it works well. That's it all for today. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and share this video to your friends and family. Keep smiling. Have a good day.